Hey bros, I've got a door lock cylinder for the driver door with a matching key so we can have that match the column. So I've got that to install today. Nothing too crazy, just got to get that put on so that way we actually have keys to open and shut the truck so we don't lock the door with no key to open the door with. So I got the lock cylinder to put in there so we don't have that problem. Stay tuned. Alright, now that we got that moved, we can go ahead and bring you guys over and get this driver door panel off. Alright, I'm going to run over and grab some tools. Okay, let's start by getting this door panel off here. Switch panel off the Super Beauty first, get it out of the way. Oh. Okay, got that off. And here's one that's damaged. 6mm for the little bolts to hold the door panel on itself. Oh, well I guess it's not 6mm, I guess it's going to be 7 maybe. Let's go grab some from the toolbox. Okay, I got it. It's going to be 7mm. Sheesh. Only 2 screws to hold it on. The other one. Okay, now this slides up. Unplug the mirror button switch. This out of the way. Alright. Now we just got to get behind the vapor barrier here. Alright, door lock. Where are you? Okay, right there. Looks like it's a little tricky to get to, but I think I can just undo the handle and move it out and then take it off there. Yeah, 11's the ticket, alright. Okay, got it loose. I'm just gonna get it out of there with some finesse. Okay, now I just got to get it out, get this little rubber grommet out, and we can get the next bolts over here. nut, I mean. There we go, we're on it. Okay. Get this one off and we get the door handle off. Shisha. Bottom nut on here. Here's my ratcheting, my snap-on ratcheting end wrench in here. There we go. Not quite enough room to get the ratcheting part on there, but that's okay. Alright, that one's on. There we go. Get the lever latch back in here. Move it out of the way so I can work in there. Alright, there we go. All finished up. Yeah. There we go, bros. Nothing too crazy in this video. We just needed to get that door matching the lock cylinder, or the ignition cylinder, so that way we just have one key, we can unlock and lock the truck down. Wednesday, we're getting our new ECU, or I'm sorry, our new gauge cluster, because we have our new ECU already ordered for the VIN number installed in the truck, the new security ECU ordered for the VIN number installed in the truck. The gauge cluster I just ordered yesterday for our VIN number for the truck. That's the last part of the puzzle. If the gauge cluster, the FICM ECU, and the security ECU don't all match, it won't communicate and it won't start. So that's what everybody's telling me. I sent my gauge cluster up to Tacoma Speedometer on Friday. They got the mileage out of it, gave that to Brian at Lincoln Mazda in Olympia, and he ordered the new gauge cluster. So that'll be here Wednesday, and I'll bring you guys along, see if we can get some communication. Then we can move on to getting the coolant system all plumbed, finished plumbed, to get the coolant in it, and we can go ahead and fill up the transmission with some transmission fluid, and we can test start the Cummins. So that'll be really exciting. Check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook, cougarhousegarage.com. Check out our Instagram, and please like like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for leaving comments. We'll see you guys in the next video.